Let us now practice some important previous year questions from the chapter Haloalkanes and Halorenes that regularly contributes questions in NEET chemistry. This chapter is important because reactions, naming, order of reactivity, and concepts like SN1, SN2, elimination, and aryl halides are repeatedly tested in NEET. So keep your notebook ready, try solving every question before I reveal the answer, and let's begin. Question 1. Which of the following halides undergoes SN1 reaction fastest? Option A, CH3Cl. Option B, CH3CH to Cl. Option C, CH3CCl. Option D, CH3CH to CH to Cl. Take a few seconds and think carefully. The correct answer is option C, tert-butyl chloride. This is because SN1 reactions proceed through carbocation formation and tertiary carbocations are the most stable. Therefore, tertiary alkyl halides react fastest in SN1 mechanism. Very important concept for NEET. Question 2. Which reagent is used for the preparation of chlorobenzene from benzene? Option A, Cl2, FeCl3. Option B, HCl, ZnCl2. Option C, SOCl2. Option D, NaCl. Pause the video and try it. The correct answer is option A, Cl in presence of iron chloride. This is an electrophilic substitution reaction where iron chloride acts as a Lewis acid catalyst. Remember this reaction because direct halogenation of benzene is a favorite NEET question. Question 3. Which of the following compounds will react fastest with alcoholic KOH? Option A, ethyl chloride. Option B, ethyl bromide. Option C, ethyl iodide. Option D, ethyl fluoride. Think about leaving group ability. The correct answer is option C, ethyl iodide. Iodide is the best leaving group among halogens because the C-I bond is weakest. Therefore, elimination or substitution reactions occur fastest with alkyl iodides. A very commonly repeated concept in PYQs. Question 4. Why are halorenes less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reactions? Option A, presence of resonance. Option B, presence of polar bond. Option C, presence of weak CX bond. Option D, presence of sp superscript 3 carbon. The correct answer is option A, presence of resonance. In halorenes, the lone pair on halogen participates in resonance with the benzene ring, giving partial double bond character to the carbon-halogen bond. This makes the bond shorter and stronger. That is why chlorobenzene is much less reactive than alkyl halides. Extremely important theoretical question. Question 5. What is the major product formed when chlorobenzene reacts with sodium metal in presence of dry ether? Option A, benzene. Option B, diphenyl. Option C, toluene. Option D, phenol. Now, pause for a moment and try recalling the named reactions we have discussed in this chapter. The correct answer is option B, diphenyl. This reaction is called the Fittig reaction, where aryl halides combine in presence of sodium metal and dry ether to form biaryl compounds. You must remember named reactions from this chapter for NEET. Question 6. Which of the following gives white precipitate immediately with alcoholic AgNO? Option A, CH3F. Option B, CH3Cl. Option C, CH3Br. Option D, CH3I. The correct answer is option D, CHI. Silver iodide precipitates fastest because iodide ion is released most easily due to the weak Si bond. This trend is extremely important. Ri greater than Rbr greater than Rcl greater than Rf. Question 7. The reaction of propene with HBr in presence of peroxide gives. Option A, 1-bromopropane. Option B, 2-bromopropane. Option C, propanol. Option D, bromobenzene. Go ahead, pause the video and try to answer this important question yourself. The correct answer is option A, 1-bromopropane. In presence of peroxide, HBr follows anti-Markovnikov addition, also called the peroxide effect or Kharash effect. Remember, peroxide effect is shown only by HBr, not HCl or high. Very important NET point. So students, these were some very important PYQs and concepts from haloalkanes and halorenes. If you want more NET level practice, including chapter-wise PYQs, difficulty-wise MCQs, full mock tests, rank analysis, error tracking, AI-powered performance insights, and then register now on extra classes. At extra classes, you can practice hundreds of NET level chemistry questions designed exactly according to the latest NET pattern. Keep practicing, keep revising, and I'll see you in the next revision session.